The recently released Windows Server 2012, known throughout its development as Windows Server 8, is filled with a number of new features designed to modernize the operating system. Not surprisingly, the biggest push and the most compelling functionality is centered on the cloud. Virtualization is an express lane to the cloud, so Microsoft made a number of improvements to Hyper-V, a long-standing component of the Windows Server operating system. These enhancements complete Hyper-V's transformation from mere hypervisor to full-fledged virtualization environment. Hyper-V now supports up to 64 processors and 1 terabyte of memory for virtual machine guests. It offers 64 terabytes of virtual storage support on each virtual disk. Hyper-V also sports a new VHDX virtual hard disk format with a larger disk capacity of up to 64 terabytes. Other noteworthy features found in Windows Server 2012 include Hyper-V Replica, which provides asynchronous replication of virtual machines to increase business continuity and improve disaster recovery, and Dynamic Memory, which helps make allocating virtual machine memory resources a more efficient process while dramatically increasing virtual machine consolidation ratios. Microsoft also gave considerable attention to the features expected in a virtual environment. Capabilities like live migration, live storage migration, and Hyper-V network virtualization have all been strengthened in Windows Server 2012. Live migration enables you to move virtual machines from one server to another. With this latest release, you can move virtual machines concurrently, allowing more than one virtual machine to be migrated at a time. With live storage migration, you can move virtual machines from direct attached storage to storage area networks, or SANs. There's also a new Shared Nothing live migration feature which allows virtual machines to move between servers or clusters via only an Ethernet connection. With Hyper-V network virtualization, you can move a virtual machine between data centers or to a service provider's cloud and keep the same internal IP address for that virtual machine. The virtual machine can be isolated from others, even those using the same IP address. The Hyper-V Extensible Switch is another network-related virtualization feature introduced in Windows Server 2012. The Layer 2 Virtual Network Switch provides programmatically managed and extensible capabilities to connect virtual machines to the physical network.